All right. Not Scary from Lights on tour of room 13. All right, let's go. Entered room 13. That was like barely, not even like a 10-minute wait. And here is what the maze looks like. Mind you, this is a lights on walkthrough maze. So here is what the interior looks like. I honestly love these lights on walkthroughs because you get to see so much more. Oh my. You get to see so much more of the details of these mazes that I don't think anyone really gets to look at when they're looking at it in the dark, like this thing. Like, look at the shoe on the bottom. Look at the feet at the bottom. If this was a maze without the lights on, we would actually not be able to see any of these little details. At least I don't think we would. You see that? And then the blood on the floor? We wouldn't be able to see that. Okay. So now we're going to enter. Oopsies, caught me picking my nose. Okay. And now, we enter through here. Oh, okay. So you enter here. This is what you see, first thing. Oh wow. Is there gonna be a jump scare? There's definitely, oh my, look at that. There's an 8-ball.
No harassment at hotel staff.
What are those? Fingers? There's definitely going to be a jump scare person here. It's closed right now, but it would be nice if there came on. And someone in here too. That would be cool. There's another. Keep going through the maze. Very Great Gatsby. Very pretty. Okay, definitely going to be jump scare people here and here. Gonna be some shadow play over here, I'm assuming. Pretty sure that this is not gonna be used for jump scares. Or scare actors, I mean. Oh. Look at that. Oh my. See that lady? Lady on the bottom. Okay. Going through another room now. Looks like the lobby area. Coat room. Hi, Pa. Elevators. Ding dong. I don't know if there are going to be any scare actors in here, except for maybe right there. Oh, okay, never mind. That's just the other side. No scare actors in this room, I think.
I literally scared myself. But different. When you're running and gunning, you always scare yourself. It's funny.
Oh. Something is happening in the next room. I see some kind of monster shaking, or is it a zombie? Oh, it's exorcism. Here we are. I feel like these things you can get it at Spirit of Halloween, but oh my. I think I can do that actually. Yeah, we can do that, right? Oh, look at the hair. Oh my goodness. Wow. You see? Do you do that? Do it again. Ready? Oh my, what a horrendous looking toilet. Good grief. Somebody's gonna come out here? Alright, see? Not a single scare actor in sight. Okay. Burlap sacks. Oh, now we're in the kitchen area. Good grief, there was an accident here. Oh my, look at that. That is quite gruesome. Look at this. Oh my, someone stabbed him in the back. Ha, ha, ha. A knife in the wall. Leftover meals. Okay, and now, oh my, dismembered bodies. Oh my, this is quite disturbing. Look at this. It's like soseji, Hillshire Farms. Oh my, good grief. Are we doing that again? Oh, wow. Another toilet? Oh my gosh, sorry. Not a scare actor, he's just a regular person. Wow, dismembered lady. It's a mannequin. Ooh, someone must come out through here. Another mirror. Microphone. Wow.
They're under construction, so all that you just saw, they're under construction. Okay, pardon the desk. Or the right side.
Wheelchair first. All right. We're at a standstill right now. So we're at a little bottleneck right now. Get through. This wet? No, it's not. Okay. Oh, is that a real bird? What? Oh, no, it's not. Okay. Yeah, I see it. How funny. Okay, this makes it really trippy. Look at this. Wow. Still going through. You know, this is a decently long maze. Maybe it's because the speed that people are walking through here, but it feels like a decently long maze to me. Definitely a bit congested over here. I don't know if because everyone here is like content creation mode. Oh wow, okay, I see why. So we're back at the elevator, and now we have people. This guy's stuck in the elevator, look at that. Isn't that crazy? What's up, bro? High five. Okay, that was actually a really cool feature. I've never seen another maze do that before. Another mirror. Murder in this photographer's room. Wow. Okay, there are clues here. Looks like they're trying to figure out clues here. Flashing noises. Look at the evidence it's saying. Flash. Going off. More toilets. Oh my. Look at that. Okay. Oh my. Now we gotta go through these little corpses. Oh, it's split in half? Oh, good grief. Oh, good grief. Oh my. Oh my, these little entrails. Oh my. That is horrific. Technically, his head should be down because he has no energy, no muscle to pop his head up, but oh well, we're not focusing on those details here, right? What is that? Cards on the floor? That's not a scare actor right there. Oh wow, look at her. Wow, she has a bullet hole through there. Wow, half a face right here. Another deceased woman right here with her legs broken. Oh my. I wonder, so they just buy mannequins for this maze and then they just color them like this? Laundry basket. It's gonna be so funny to have people coming out of here scaring you. So scary. Wow. Or teeny tiny bed. Okay. Hey, Pa. Let's be in the video together. Oh, are we still going to the maze? Wow, this is a decently long maze. What did you say?
Next time I film one of these, I'm gonna do a time lapse.
Oh, yeah.
It's nice to have you in it instead of trying to do it.
I know. Here we are. Okay, this is quite a long maze. I'm really impressed. Wow, this is actually really cool. Kind of reminds me of Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. Look at that. In the chamber. Look at that. That's pretty cool. That is actually really cool. Considering that this video has been going on for what, 17 minutes, 20 minutes, that means this maze itself is 17 or 20 minutes or however long this maze is taking. Oh, we finally have I see. Wow. Looks like Wicked. Okay, something's gonna come up here. I'm gonna wait. Whoa! Dope. Okay, that was cool. And now we finally exit. Thank you. Okay, wow, that was a really pretty long maze. That was pretty cool. And of course, it's literally right onto this arcade or gift shop, I believe. I'm not really sure. Oh, wow. Oh, so this is where all the people hang out.
Apparently not.
Oh, the glamorous people. Wow, look at their dresses. And now you get to be spat out right where the glamorous scare actors are. Wow. Oh, wow, look at